Hi, welcome to Yarn Again. Thank you for stopping by. I wanted to share with you one of my Christmas presents, the monthly kit for crochet from Mary Maxim. This kit runs $16.99 plus $4.25 shipping. It comes to about $21 and change. I didn't see the bill. My husband got it for me for Christmas. And you get to make this beautiful cowl, or they give you a pattern for these mittens. I do not know if you get enough yarn to do both. I think it's one or the other. I'm making the cowl, and it comes with 3 skeins of yarn, enough to do the project. And the yarn is a number 5 bulky, a 6.5 hook, or 6mm needles. It's washable, dryable, no ironing, and no triangle. Red Heart 100% acrylic in the gemstones. I believe this has been discontinued, and it's 312 yards in each skein. And you get 3 skeins. And I took it out of the packaging prior to the video so that you wouldn't have to hear all that crinkling and noise, because I know that bothers some people. Isn't that a lovely blanket? That's pretty. I am looking forward to making this project. My son, Creative Craftings with SC, I'll link his channel below, also got this for Christmas, and he will be doing this with me, and we will show you our progress as we go along. We do appreciate you linking on our channels and stopping by to say hello. I'll be back with more Christmas gifts that I want to share with you. Again, I thank you for stopping by Yarn Again, and look forward to seeing you on the YouTube streets.